It's January 2026. For 3 years, the entire market has been screaming about one thing: chips. But the bottleneck isn't silicon anymore. It's where you plug them in. The game just flipped. We left the silicon phase and entered the infrastructure era. And the winner isn't big tech, it's applied digital. They just dropped 250% revenue growth and the stock went absolute parabolic. Meet Wes Cummins. He isn't some Patagonia vest wearing Silicon Valley tech bro. Dude grew up on a potato farm. While everyone else was fighting for scraps in Virginia, he looked at a frozen field in North Dakota and saw a gold mine. See that red? That's the US power grid, completely tapped out. But the green? That's stranded power, energy trapped in the middle of nowhere. Wes didn't just buy land, he cornered the market on the only extension cord left in America. He turned that frozen dirt into Polaris Forge. These aren't boring data closets, they're liquid-cooled AI factories. And the best part? They're already sold out to the biggest names in the game. But here's the alpha. He just signed a 15-year lease with a secret investment-grade giant. That single piece of paper is worth $5 billion. He's not speculating anymore. He's basically a utility company for the internet. To unlock the real money, he's hacking the corporate structure. He's spinning off the risky cloud business into a new company called ChronoScale. It cleans up the mess and leaves Applied Digital as a pure, cash-printing landlord. The haters love to point at the debt, $2.5 billion of it. But look at the fine print. It's not due until 2030. He bought himself a 4-year runway to let the money print. The short sellers? They're trapped. The gold rush is over. This is the railroad era. And right now, the potato farmer is running the train.